Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time for chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing like.
Big up we links, wine on the link and keep the link stink. We links no road, so we float, never sink. We link it them up with thing lock on the road. So no boy no give in a bag got tough chat on the road, yeah. No man is an island, and no man stands alone. Big up we links, them we make this whole thing possible. Without we links it would have impossible.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to another day in Jamaica. I can't even scream too much, like my throat is still a little bit irritated, but yesterday daddy gave me an Advil colon sinus for me to take, so I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna take one when we come back from meeting, and I'm gonna take one last night before I go to my bed, and I feel so much better. I'm gonna go get a next pack, and I'm gonna take the two, and I'm hopefully will be good because the wedding is literally in 6 days. Today's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. About 6 days or 5 days to. My dad is getting married in 5 days. Five. Anyways, you hear daddy? You hear him already? It's only, well, now it is this time in the morning, but I wake up from about 6 o'clock, 6:30. Him gone, come back, and now I'm a bang still as per usual, but this is music to my ears. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do. Last night I did the cake boxes. I labeled the cake boxes. This morning I want to go put the favors in the little favor bags. I need to find the tags for the favor boxes, and then I want to start painting the card box that I'm making for them. So yeah, I'm in charge of decor. I'm like event planner kind of. So I really want to go look on the venue to go see how we could decorate. Now me I hear say them have 2 different type of chair on the table, which me not understand why them would have. But yeah, so we just want to look on that, you know, how to decorate the space, how to set up the space, all of them sort of stuff there. Today daddy's picking up his suit, going for his last fitting. Me, I have to go take my measurements and go get my dress that make. Literally we have 4 days. What else do I have to do? And then Marv has to go in town and go get some last minute stuff. I know we have to go get some more bowls, and we have to get the candies for the favors, and etc. So it's gonna be a long day up on the road, so we'll see what happens. I'm still not get my partner dry yet, so I still not have no money yet because I don't get paid until this week from both YouTube and work. But we still have to buy my ticket to go up. So yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the motive right now. When I start doing the favors and stuff like that, I'll come back to you guys and kind of show you, you know, just a little process or whatever. But I'm just out here working in Jamaica. I can't wait to get my paycheck from this event. And yeah, nothing really happened last night afterwards. I was just there vibing out with my uncle because I haven't seen him since he left Canada. And yeah, I came home. As I said, I did the cake boxes, and then went to bed. I don't know if I vlogged, but I did stop up at Canada yesterday. I'm supposed to get Khamari today, actually. I message Andrew because Andrew's supposed to be going to work and Ken have gone to work. And it makes sense same day at daycare. I waste money when they're here. So yeah, so let me go find out actually if I need to go film or whatever, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. But good morning. It feels so good knowing that I'm not leaving here next week. Well, I am leaving here next week, but like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, like I'm not here, like, as I was saying, not leaving this weekend. Like I'm spending more than a week in Jamaica. I haven't spent more than a week in Jamaica in a while, so I'm happy for that. Like, obviously you guys know how I feel about Jamaica. I'm here all the time. I come back all the time. You know, daddy's here, my siblings are here, I have family here, etc, etc, etc. But it's just, I don't know what it is. It's just a free feel. Like I feel like Zoe. That's the best way I can describe it. Back home, I'm like so programmed. It's like you wake up, you go to work, you come home, and then like with winter, it's like you're even more programmed to like just be a homebody, because it's like, who wants to go outside and do anything in the cold? Not that I have an issue, but the people that I know don't want to be outside and do anything in the cold. So you're like forced to just stay inside. Like your brain is just programmed to be like, okay, it's just work, responsibilities, home, that's it. If you get to go out on the weekends, you're so tired because of all the other stuff that you're doing. But I feel like over here in Jamaica, like no matter what the stresses are, no matter if you have money or not, if you have a job, no matter what, I just feel like everybody over here is just so much more lighter in spirit, in everything, in every way possible. Like they could party every single day, still get up the next morning and go work. Like it's just, the lifestyle here is just a lot more easier. And I feel like that is the lifestyle that I want. Like, not saying I want an easy life, but even though that's not bad, but you understand what I'm trying to say? It's just a lot more free. Like, if you're not, like, I don't know how to describe it, but there's literally like the worries here, like you'll make it. Like you will make it. Some way, somehow you will make it. Foreign, if you don't have your rents, you're evicted. If you cannot pay your bills, then cut it off. Like, you understand? I mean, also certain things, like when you reach a certain point over here, yes, but I feel like said things over here, like even when people are like, oh, their rent over here is a lot cheaper. Yes, it is, but you have to consider their rates and wages in terms of work and stuff like that. So it's, you know, but me just feel like, say, like survival over here is a lot more easier than foreign. But yeah, Jamaica is where my heart is. Like my heart is in Jamaica. I can't do anything. It was even the other night, my dad was like, why don't you just move here? And I never talked about it on camera, but earlier this year there was a point in time where like I was battling with moving to Jamaica. Like every day I was talking to Day, every day I was talking to Fuffy, and I was like, yo, should I do it? And Day is always like, write out your pros and cons. Like, what are your pros and cons for it? And there's a lot more pros than cons. The only cons was like leaving my immediate family, no sense of like real security in terms of employment. But I'm just like, my business I can do out here, and I know I can excel in that because there's not a lot of people out here that do what I do. And yeah, so he just put that thought back in my head. So you guys, if you see that I'm packing up and I'm moving, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, blame daddy. But I wouldn't mind coming out here for a little bit. I am going to be applying for my citizenship because he's like, you know, do that. So I'm going to, and he has the documents that I need. So I'm going to look into that when I go back up. Just to make things a little bit easier in terms of like having like my TRN, all of them type of stuff there. So if I want to do anything out here, there's no issue or there's nothing holding me back or preventing me from doing that. So if you were not born in Jamaica and you have parents or a parent that is from Jamaica, it is now a lot easier for you to go about getting your citizenship. I was just going to do dual citizenship or whatever. So you can try it out, especially if you're in Toronto and you want more information. I can definitely help you out with that. But yeah, so that's a lot to look into and think about and stuff like that. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna see what I can make for breakfast, make some tea, go brush my teeth and wash my face, because I literally just come out of the bed, although I did up from how long. And I know I'm boring with enough talking. I've been talking for 4 minutes and 40 seconds now. I'm gonna go find out about my nephew and come back and talk to you guys later. Okay, love you guys, bye. So guys, I'm going to bag the favors. The favors are so cute. So they're bottle openers on keychains. I had them personalized and everything. So it says Marvia and Delroy and the date, December 22nd, 2018. So I got 50 in black and 50 in silver. This is the colors that they wanted. The wedding is purple, lavender, or this is like lilac, I guess, but lavender and gray and white, I think, something like that. So yeah, and then I got these bags. Khamari, can you? Oh, Khamari's here. Hold this for me, please, Pops. Talk to them. Thank you. Wow. 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 Say hi. Say good morning. Say good morning. Hold it down here. Hold it up here. Hold it down here, so. Yes. Say good morning. He's figuring out how to use a tripod, guys. No. Don't touch the lights. You know, say morning. Anyhow, back to what I was saying. And then I got these mini bags, these mini drawstring. Normally they're in like the organza, like mesh. That's what I call the mesh, but they're called like organza bags. But I like the silver one, so I'm gonna bag each one into this. What is the problem? What's the issue? You cannot have it. I'm working. Grandpa said I am here to work. I have to work. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and just bag them in. Okay, dirty mosquito. Leave me alone. Tapping eyes. You hurt? Are you hurting? Something hurting? You pain? You pain up? You pain up? I'm gonna double knot it. No. Oh, go on. Take that. Take that. You can take that. You can have that, though. 90 more, only 98 more to go. Come, you want to come in a video? Like, come. Come. Oops. Careful. Come. Come. Kiss auntie. Kiss. Kiss auntie. Kiss auntie. Khamari. 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 Hello? Hello? Khamari. Hello? Hello? Kiss auntie. Your auntie kiss? Kiss auntie, man? Come, show the people them say how much teeth you have now. Show them say ah. Open. Say ah. Open up now. Say ah. People them have all of them pretty much. When I left here, Khamari only had these two bottom one a peep through. So these two are here. I have these two up here. I think I've 4 up here. You're rude. Are you gonna help auntie? Listen. The mosquito got done me over here, so you know. Hello? Alright. Yeah. This is authentic Jamaican. I don't know if you guys could only smell it, you guys would understand. This is probably what heaven smells like. Like exactly this. Like the right amount of salt, the right amount of everything. Like this. Disregard the rude kiss tea you guys are hearing. They don't know. Let them leave Jamaica for a couple of months and see. Leave Jamaica for a couple of months and see if you'll be kissing your teeth then.
I'll be kissing you that time.
No, you won't. You're not coming to my house.
Where may I come?
I don't know.
You can't turn the whole instrument.
On the road again, as per usual.
I want to be can't tell you that my place and then grab on the phone and gone with you like laugh. Hard Street this. So this is Hard Street.
But is it H-A-R-T or H-A-R-D?
T.
Hard Street, okay.
We talk about teeth. Most of the time I hear I may tell them now.
Finally leaving town. I feel like I've been here. I feel like I've been here from I got off the plane, literally, but actually I know we're not even leaving town because we have to go get daddy's suit now and something else and then food because my hungry. Me eat breakfast this morning, which I think I showed you guys. Yes, that's nice. Gotta get through my list. But yeah, that's the motive right now. I hopefully Kiana is up at the house so I can let her take my outfit.
And I'm going out and coming in. Never leave by Jaja. I keep me far from vampires. And I'm going out and coming in. Keep me by your right hand and keep me far from Satan. I let her walk with me.
Now make them drain my energy. Now make them drain my energy. All of a sudden we have so many enemies, from the grill point to Tel Aviv. Now make them drain my energy. Now make I don't worry about them pagans. Me dance to them through me raven. I don't worry about them roaches, cause me don't know my baby. I don't worry about life, but me worried about death. Me no worry about what gonna.
He got his suit, Daddy got his suit without a tie, without a tie. But at least he got his suit. Oh my God, my daddy's gonna be our husband. Talk to him nice, cause he's mineable.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel